Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will be discussing the top 10 in-demand skills in 2023. The world is constantly evolving, and with it, the job market. It is important to stay up to date with the latest trends in order to stay relevant and marketable in the workforce. Number 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning are technologies that allow machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that data. These technologies are becoming increasingly important across industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation. Professionals with expertise in AI and machine learning will be in high demand to design, implement, and manage these systems. Number 2. Cybersecurity. With the increasing number of cyber attacks, organizations need professionals who can implement and maintain security measures to protect sensitive data. Cybersecurity professionals will be responsible for implementing firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, and other security measures to keep information secure. Number 3. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data, rather than using a local server or personal computer. As more companies move their operations to the cloud, expertise in cloud computing will be in high demand to help businesses transition and manage their cloud infrastructure. Number 4. Data analysis and visualization. With the increasing amount of data available, the ability to analyze and visualize data to make informed decisions will be a valuable skill. Data analysts will be responsible for collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data, while data visualization experts will be responsible for presenting the data in an easy-to-understand format. Number 5. Digital marketing. As more businesses shift their focus to digital channels, professionals who can create effective digital marketing campaigns will be in demand. Digital marketing professionals will be responsible for developing and executing marketing campaigns across a variety of digital channels, such as social media, email, and search engines. Number 6. Software development. As software continues to be an integral part of many industries, developers with expertise in areas such as mobile app development, web development, and software engineering will continue to be in high demand. Software developers will be responsible for designing, building, and maintaining software applications and systems. Number 7. Project management. As businesses increasingly rely on projects to achieve their goals, professionals with strong project management skills will be in demand. Project managers will be responsible for planning, executing, and monitoring projects to ensure they are completed on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. Number 8. Sales. Sales skills will continue to be important, as businesses rely on revenue growth to succeed. Sales professionals will be responsible for identifying potential customers, developing sales strategies, and closing deals. Number 9. Customer service. As competition between businesses continues to increase, providing exceptional customer service will become even more important. Customer service professionals will be responsible for interacting with customers to address their needs and resolve any issues they may have. Number 10. Emotional intelligence. Soft skills such as emotional intelligence, communication, and collaboration will continue to be important in the workplace as businesses prioritize employee well-being and teamwork. Professionals with strong emotional intelligence will be able to effectively communicate and collaborate with others, manage their own emotions, and adapt to changing circumstances.